How to fix Uber app background check issues. Now, for you to be able to fix this issue is you just have to go ahead and open up the email that you have received upon completing the background check. You could also visit their official site, which is going to be the help.uber.com, for you to have further resolution on this issue. So the first thing that you want to do is to contact CheckR, and by replying to the email or going to the CheckR portal, which was the link provided to the email address that you have associated with your Uber app account. Now this now this is the only thing that we can do first to be able to fix this is to file a dispute. Now just go ahead and log in to your Uber account and then go to the reporting page, and by there you just have to double check all the necessary documents that you have uploaded to your Uber app to make sure that all those details are accurate. And then you just have to wait for the Uber app or the Uber support to get back to you once everything is sorted out, and you should be able to know if the issue was rectified or not. And that's it. That's how you fix Uber app background check issues.